Hey, Brian back here, taking a look at some new bull run price targets for some of these cryptos. I apologize, it's raining a little bit in the background, but I wanted to get this out to you guys. I know a lot of people have asked me where I think the Bitcoin is headed, where I think, anything is headed, Ethereum, Cardano, any of these things, alright? So I took a Fibonacci, took previous price targets. This thing looks fantastic, right? It gives Bitcoin a next all-time high at around $240,000, right? I hope the rain isn't too loud and ruining my mic here. Getting a horrible storm here in Pennsylvania, but so I apologize if you can hear that, right? We got Ethereum here. Previous all-time high, $4,800. Next one, $17,700. So these two here, you're looking roughly 4x's. Okay, about a 4x for Bitcoin, about a 4x for ETH. BNB, previous all-time high, $700. Next all-time high, about $2,300. Right, so that's only about a little over a 3x. On that there, so keep an eye on that. Solana right now, right around previous all-time highs, 260. This should have been $1,107. Let me change that. There you go, $1,100. About another 4x. Right, so at least first five besides Tether are about 4x's. Then number 6, you have USD, another stable coin. Here you have XRP, the previous all-time high, $3.84. The next all-time high, $15.29. Once again, about another 4x. Dogecoin, here we go. Previous, 73. The next all-time high, $2.97. Right, another 4x. Kind of weird, eh? Toncoin. This one is kind of tough, a little bit. I mean, it's been around 3 years, but not a whole lot of chart on it. Previous all-time high, $3.30. The next all-time high for this bull run, 1141, which is a 4x. Could go a lot higher than that, alright? We don't have much to go on with this thing. ADA, Cardano. Previous all-time high, $3.09. Next high, you're looking at $12.37. Shiba Inu. Previous all-time high, 0.00008845. And then your new all-time high, 0.0033279615. Now, regardless, that's about another 4x. So your top 11 tokens, you're looking at about a 4x from each of them, okay? These are your safe bets, safer if you're in crypto, obviously. So that's that. Now we're going to go over here and take a look at a couple of charts, because I know some of you out there want more than that, okay? Number one, I want to take a look. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Alright, back here we had an all-time high for $144. Alright, let's see what a bull run target would be. I apologize about the rain. It's terrible, I'm sorry. Running out of time here to get my videos done. We had a previous of 145. Avalanche looks like it's heading towards about $585. So once again, that's about a 4x. Alright, that's Avalanche. Over here, look at Elgo. Look at this thing. Just beat down to the floor. I'm a big fan of Elgo. Is it gonna bounce here and get out of here? We sure hope so. It's been a pretty long downfall for this thing. It's all-time high. We're going to go with one here. $2.99. $2.99. Right, from where it's at now. Now, what I'm seeing 4x and stuff off these over here, that's not including the prices where they're at. That's just the all-time highs, all right? Where they're at right now, XRP's at like 50 cents, right? So, to get to $15, you're looking at about, what, 30x from where it's at. So, remember that, please. I'm just taking it from previous all-time highs to the next all-time high. Okay, that's a good thing. Now, let's take a look here at Algo. This thing is, the target for this is going to be ridiculous. Unless it truly is done. You know? Here we go, getting down there, right about, there we'll call it, okay? This is crazy. If Algo is still running full bore, look at this, $12.16. $12. Alright, $14.58. Alright, $12. Check this out a second. 4.00 divided by 0.14. It's at 82x. 82x. If Algo can bounce and get out of here, we get back to its form. Alright, the weekly RSI right at the very bottom here. Okay? Bullrun needs to do something here to get people pumped up and interested. You know, that's the big thing here for this. You want to see it hold this low, we come out here on the monthly. Yeah, you don't want to lose that. That's too low. Right? Absolutely. I mean, people that got in over here, if they're still holding, their bags are in the negative. From way back in April 2020, right about when I got in crypto real heavy. You know, look at this. Just dropped right below it there. Got a maybe a cup and handle forming in there. That's on what, a monthly. Let's look at the daily and see if we have the cup and handle. Let's take a real closer look at that. On the weekly, it definitely looks like it to me. Alright, so the potential is there for Bullrun. $15. You know, you make up your mind. None of this is financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Blockchain bets, I love this project. I've been stacking the heck out of it. Bean, and these are new, so I don't have much to go off of as far as charts go. Alright, we got Bone. Let me give you a quick one on Bone here. $2.40 all-time high. $8.47. Right, so from here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about a 16x on Bone. Right, back up there to the top. Cody, that's a good one. Alright, we would go up the previous all-time high, which was 69 cents. Wow. What a great project. Let's get this, try to get it perfect. There we go. Cody has a Bullrun price target, $2.82. $2.82. So you're looking at, what, almost a 30x from here. Not too bad. So if this plays out and you have $1,000 in Cody, you should be cashing out about 30 grand. You know, so it's amazing. And once again, not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. That's not my job. I just look at charts and give you my estimations here. Now, Digibyte. Alright, we got a high there of 18 cents. right? If this thing recoils and heads back up here, has a target of 76 cents in 0.008. Let's take a look. What kind of is that? For 0.76. Just curious. This is another one with pretty big gains if it plays out. I did this the last bull run. I looked for price targets of tokens, how much they have left, what kind of, break it down, how much multipliers are left in this thing. 0.76 divided by 0.00844. There it is. 90, a 90x. Nice. So if it plays out, works out, every $1,000 you put in, $90,000. That's what it's calling for Digibyte. Alright, now Doge we did, correct? Yeah, we did Doge. I love that dog that back there. Doge, an all-time high of 73. Pretty sure we did it. If not, $2.97. Ethereum we did. How about Fetch? Oh boy, this one is pretty simple because back here in 2021, this one's getting up there. Alright, it's already up at a 2618. Right now it's at $1.31. Has a target of right about $5. So got right at what, a 4x for Fetch. Foulpoint, this is a good one. Wait till you see this one. Wow. $4.93. Has an all-time high here of $236. This wick over here, look at this wick. I don't use it. That goes up to $900. I don't think that's legit. So if we take a look here, ICP, or Foulpoint. ICP is another one now. We make sure we get this bottom one right, okay? Look good? Alright. We've got the top here. That looks pretty good to me. Alright, all-time high of 237.18. A Bullrun 4.236 extension, $996. Almost $1,000. So, wow, that's another good one. If you're looking for tokens that could possibly give you huge returns, $5, it's 1,000 divided by 5.00. That's a 200x. 200x on Foulpoint. You know, wow. Every 1,000 you throw in could possibly, nothing's guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do anything. Possibly, if this played out just like it did on the screen, if you had $1,000 in it, you would get 200 grand back. $200,000 back on Foulpoint. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remember this one myself. Look, this thing here is fantastic. We got to add Foulpoint to create new list. Gainers. Yeah, stick in here, guys. We're going to go over a lot. And if you want to learn how to do this stuff, sign up for a level 3 membership, man. This is just one thing I teach you. Go and it's only $14.99. You get tons of videos. You get a lot. You get everything. Tons of videos. Over 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos. Plus, you get a link to the Discord membership, which is going to be, fantastic for you. That's where you want to be, over there in the Discord trading with us. So, Foulpoint, keep an eye on that thing. That looks incredible. Let's go down here and see what else we can find. G3. I'm still hoping for that. I stacked some of that up. Gala. How about Gala? Good old Gala. I bought Gala in the last bull run. 37 bucks got me $250,000. Gala. $37. That was it. And isn't that crazy? 37 bucks. Bought it when it first dropped. You know, it was extremely cheap, and I jumped all over it. Has an all-time high here of 83, almost 84 cents. You know, geez, that 250,000 tokens. If I would have known how to, you know, read charts really well, 84 cents, that would have been a couple $100,000 out of a $37 investment. But anyway, Gala, all-time high of 84 cents. You're looking at $3.50. That's another big winner from here. All right, this has to go in the list. You have $3.50, 3.5 divided by 0.02951. See what we get. 118x. Not too shabby. You know, works out right. Every $1,000 turns into $118,000. $118,000. So this is going over to the Gala to do. There we go. GFAL, that's another one I got big hopes for here. Love that thing. Let's see here. How about H-bar? It's down to 8 cents. 8 cents for H-bar. Unbelievable. All-time high right up around 56, 57 cents. Okay. Now let's take a look at this chart. What does Hedera Hashgraph have in the tank? Well, according to the Fibonacci, if it gains momentum, which it is, it's making higher highs and higher lows here, it looks like. Let's get this mess off here and see. Excuse me. Well, it made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. So kind of rolling over a little bit here. We'll see what happens with it. But overall, you know, the market is just getting to that point where it's getting ready to go. All right, all-time high, 57.5 cents for Hedera. It's at 8 cents right now. The 4.236 extension would put it up at $2.31. So that, let's see here, 816, 24, 40 would be a 5x, 80 cents would be a 10x, 12, so you're looking at a 30, about 36x from this one. Not too bad. Not too bad at all, really. H-bar. ICP, this is one that's going to blow your mind here. This is crazy. Absolutely nuts. Alright, I have to maybe... I'm going to have to go to CoinMarketCap and get this all-time high. It's a piece of cake. Alright. You just punch in what you're looking for. ICP. Click on it, and it'll tell you everything you want to know. I love this, guys. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you, it's totally up to you. I had a couple people ask how they could donate to the channel. I put a donation link in the description of the video. You can accept all Polygon and Ethereum tokens, any of them, to that one address. So if you're interested at all, it would be greatly appreciated. And the memberships, we have over 200 members in the members group, and we would love to have you in that. Check that out for $14.99, please. It's worth your money, man. You'll definitely get your 15 bucks back. All right, we have an all-time high here of $750. $750 bucks. All right, so let's go back to this chart. 750, which was... Oh boy, look at this wick when this thing dropped. Holy crap. that wick was up to 2,800 bucks. Alright, so 750. I'm gonna take a fib or go 750. 747 works. We'll go a little bit low on our end. This bottom has to be tweaked. ICP, it's just so low right now. Not too bad, huh? Alright. Look at this. I mean, it just has to climb a huge, huge mountain. This target's up here. Wow. 3,156 bucks is the target. 3,000. What is that? Holy cow. That has to be a real, that's a big one. Alright, we got 3,156. Alright, divided by 8.88. Jeez, I gotta jump all over this. Whoa! A 355x. 355x, if this works out. ICP, that, wow. 335x. Wow. Check that out, guys. Yeah, that is a, what's the monthly RSI looking at this? 335x. ICP goes over to the section where I need it. Right there. Boom. These are tokens I've really got to throw some money at when I get done here. Injective. Look at this thing. Already rolling up there, looking great. And then previous all-time high of 25.46. It's already taken off this bull run. Right about there. Not getting exactly to the top and bottom here. You'd have to zoom in real good, but not too bad, right? I mean, that's very comparable. All-time high at 25.14 gives it a target of 102.83, right? So 5x, 102.83 for injective. Not too bad though. Caspa, I got big hopes for this thing, man. Really, really do. Not much you can do with a fib. We don't have past price action to go off of. With the next move for this thing. Right about there, okay. Caspa. The next move, 24 cents, then up to 32, 41, then 46. Alright, I totally believe this thing's heading over $1. Alright, so 15 cents right now. What is that? 9, 10x. A little under that. 7, 8x to get up there. Not to 46, but to get up to the $1. So to get to the 46, that's about a 4x. So watch Caspa, guys. That one there is a very fantastic product there. I love it. Chainlink. This is another one that could be a huge one. I love this. This is cool. I hope you guys enjoy this. Looking for all-time highs. Looking for possible entries for some of these, like where are they going to? All-time high of about 52.90 for Chainlink. The Fibonacci gives it a target. The 1618, we're at 82, then we're at 130, we're at 178, $208.43. 160.90. There's about 14x, right, for Chainlink. Not too bad. Still haven't even made it up to 618 yet, so not too bad at all. Geez, if you can make a 14x on your checking account, in a year or 2 years or whatever, Gonna be pretty happy with that. I gotta keep an eye on this here. This Polygon, man, it's looking super, super good. Just right down around that trend line. I love trades like that, but Polygon is looking for, had an all-time high over here, right around 291. Pull it down to the bottom. Then you got a target roughly $11.35, $11.35. About 20x probably. I got in this thing when it for I believe it was 4 cents. 4 cents, and it went up to almost $3 the last Bullrun. Here in it 4 cents. It was 81. There's more of a chart than this schematic. Maybe this one's bigger. Yeah, this one here is bigger. But February of 2021, let's look here. I got in about March 2020. That's weird, that's crazy. Right, there's May. April. There's COVID right there, March. There's 3.01. It might have been less, maybe 2 cents. I got it for it was low. Right through here it was 0.0138. Then you had 0.0194. Then you had a big blast out there. Just took right off. Alright, let's see here. Let's do a couple more. I should have did a live and did this, ask people what they want to see. Myro, I can't do that. I don't have past price action. Neo, I love Neo. I held Neo over there for quite a while. Let's do this quickly. Neo has an all-time high of $145. Top, bottom for Neo. We're going to speed this up. Right, 145. We're looking for $604. Wow, that's another good one, man. 1178. What is that? Let's look real quick. Right? What did I say here? Where is this? 604. 604. Right about 1177. That's a 51x. 51x. If you could 51x your money doing anything, you'd be thrilled to death, right? 51x for Neo. Not too shabby. NVIDIA. Love NVIDIA. This thing is incredible. Only Harmony 1. Yeah, there we go. We got past price action. Let's take a look at Harmony 1. 38 cents high. 38 cent all-time high. Running up to $1.57. Wow, that's not too bad. From a penny and a half to $1.57. 1.57. Oops. What's this? This might be another one to add over to the group. And it's amazing because these coins won't do nothing. And then all of a sudden they just start running crazily. You're thinking, oh, this thing's dead. It ain't going to do anything. And the next thing you know, it's 20x already, 100x. For Harmony 1, yeah, it's going in the list. Definitely. Add to new. Metafluence. That's one I want to show you guys. I got to. It is, that thing, I believe it is going to be incredible. Urban finance, good football. Metafluence, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Okay, alright. There's something I want to show you about this, guys. And I care about you guys. If you watch my channel, I absolutely 100% care about you. I do, okay? You have an all-time high of this thing around 2 cents. Alright, the projected bull run price for it is up to, call it 10 cents, alright, right there, 10 cents, okay? So, if you take, and this is Metafluence, they have a total supply of like 4 billion tokens. 4 billion. That's it, alright? That's, what? 8 times smaller than Cardano or something. So Metafluence, what could this thing really do? Man, it could really go. Let's see, 0.10, 4 million tokens. That's it, guys. Divided by 0.0003975. This is another big one or not? Yeah, 251x. I'm telling you, this thing, you gotta get something, guys. And you know the best part about it is, so for every 100,000, you would have what, about 10,000 in profit, right? So if you took $100 right now and divided it by 0.0003975. $100 will get you 251,000 tokens. 251,000. So if it goes to 10 cents, that's $25,000, right? Yeah, not too bad for $100. That gets you $250,000 Metafluence. And let me just show you. You guys that are out there watching this, thank you so much, man. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I want to reach out to you guys and show you what, instead of just doing charts all the time, what is happening out there, because there's so much potential in some of this stuff that it's absolutely insane. Look at this total supply, 4.8 billion. Reported circulating supply, 1.8 billion. Okay. It's had an all-time high down here. The all-time high was 4 cents. Alright, then you got your all-time low right there. 2 years ago, it looks like this thing came out. And the all-time low was 11 hours ago. The all-time low, okay, for Metafluence was 11 hours ago. So it is setting all-time lows. Alright, if you my personal opinion, I think, look at this, double bottom, boom, boom. What do you think? That looks pretty good to me. It's a double bottom. Clean this up, get this stuff off here, put a line here, right about there. You got a double bottom. Is it going to lose this? Is that an ABC right there? Let's measure this out real quick. We'll get right back to this, guys. 702 it looks like. Yeah, 702 AB. See? Over. Right down there. There you go. Done. AB. See? Yeah. If that's an ABC, that's over. What's the RSIs look like? Weekly is perfect. The 12-hour, perfect. 8-hour, perfect. Wow. 4-hour. Wow. This thing could get ready to go, guys. Keep your eye on Metafluence. If you want me to do more of these videos, guys, let me know in the comments, and I will. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you would like to see. And thank you so very much, guys.